A very good morning to all of you. I hope you all are doing good. Yes. So welcome to your drawing class. Again we have a craft activity. So are you excited for your craft activity? Yes, that's great. So our craft activity is Origami House. To make our origami house, we require only two things. How many things? Only two. One is square sheet of paper and second one is sketch pen. So are you ready? Okay, so let's go. So class, to make our origami house, we require a square size of paper and a sketch pen. So are you ready? Okay. So to make our origami house, first we have to fold our paper in between like this. Okay, once you fold it, then turn and open it. Again we have to fold it in the another direction like this. Okay, now I have to open it. Let's open it and fold it in between like this and like this. Okay, once we done with this, we have to flip it. Now after flipping it, we just have to fold it like this until between. Till middle point we have to fold it like this. Again another part. Okay. So after completing this portion, we have to turn it and we have to flop these portions left and right corner of our house paper and use your finger and press it nicely. Left and right, both portion we have to fold it like this. Now flip your paper and our house is almost ready. Now we need a sketch pen and we can give it a beautiful door like this. You can use a scale as well if you are not comfortable. We can make the windows as well like this. Another window. We need two windows here like this. We can make the door as well. Open door. Yes. Like this. Now we can give the design of our rope as well. Like this. Like this. Again, I'm telling you, you can use scale as well. I'm not using a scale here, but you can use. Now like this. Like this. Okay, once we complete it, now it is complete. Our house is ready now. Yay, our house is ready. It look nice? Yes? Okay, so I request all my dear friends, once you complete it, please paste it in your drawing file. That's all for today. Thank you.